Hey, Libby, do I have anything in my teeth?
Yeah, got a little something right there.
Cool. Because we have a great recipe for it called oil pull mouth rinse. This is an ancient Indian method of using coconut oil to help draw out impurities out of your teeth and your gums. So for this recipe, you'll need a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 1 drop of lemon essential oil, and 1 drop of camphor essential oil. If you want, you can skip the essential oils and just use fractionated coconut oil. Be careful not to swallow this mixture. We never recommend ingesting essential oils. All right, to make this recipe, we're gonna use a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. We'll pour it in this little bowl to add our essential oils to. We're just going to use 1 drop of lemon and 1 drop of camphor to make sure that it's super diluted and safe to use. Then you'll want to mix it to make sure that it's diluted throughout the coconut oil. Once it's mixed, you'll put it in your mouth and then gently swish it around for 10 to 20 minutes. This should be really gentle. It's not like a vigorous mouth rinse. You slowly do it to help draw out impurities and help make your teeth look great. For more great recipes like this one, hit subscribe and make sure to check out our blog.
I'm Libby, Simply Earth team member.
And I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So try this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments.
See you later.
To help pull bad stuff.
To help pull out your teeth.